Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Yasser. Today I'll be showing you guys two very easy back to school looks. I know school is coming up and you're like, what should I do with my hair? So I'll show you just really cute easy styles that you can do and just change up as the week go by. I'm going to use Leila's hair company that I got from a hair company on Amazon. I've actually been wanting to try like the hair on Amazon. Of course they have different companies, so make sure when you're buying be careful and read the comments and all those kind of stuff before you purchase anything. So they sent me 3 bundles and I have this one left. I have 2 other ones in my head. I'm going to leave a link to their company down below. I'm not the best actually when it comes to telling the quality of human hair, but it really feels, it's very soft, it feels very nice, and it comes with a tag that says Leila 100% virgin hair company. So for the 3 bundles on Amazon, it's about 42 or 43 US dollars. It feels really nice, honestly, and I'm probably going to use it to make a U-part. That's why I didn't want to cut it, so I just put it in my head pretty much the way the bundle comes in, and then I'll make a U-part wig of it, and I'll make sure that I upload it on the channel because it's actually going to be my first time making a U-part wig, so that should be an interesting thing. So make sure you subscribe so you can see that in the future. If you're new to the channel, guys, don't forget to subscribe. If you're an old subscriber, thank you for being fabulous and for coming back and watching me again. So this is what the hair looks like. This is the 12-inch bundle. They sent me one in 12, 14 and 16 inches. So I have the 16 and the 14 inches in my head right now. I really like the hair. I don't know about the longevity of the hair because obviously I'm not going to wear this style for a long time, but when I make the U-part wig, I'll probably make an update video and just tell you how good it is at holding up and after washing it and trying different things with it. But for now, I really love the hair and I think it's very beautiful and it feels very nice and soft, and I really love the curl pattern of it. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Don't forget to comment down below and like the video and share this video with anyone that you think might be interested in watching this video or my channel. Okay, this kind of feels you know what, guys, just keep watching the video and I hope you enjoy it, and you know, I hope I see you next time. Okay, cool. Okay, so I'm not going to put a lot of gel in my hair. Actually, I'm not going to use a lot of gel, just lay it down a little bit because I'm going to be changing the buns. So I'm just going to section like little parts of my hair like so. I'm just going to try and make it straight. I don't know if it's going to be straight. Okay guys, so this is the sections off now. So I just did like 2 small squares, like maybe 1 by 1 inch or maybe 2 by 2 inches, I think. So I'm just going to lay my hair down. I'm just going to use this brush and brush it down. Like I said, I'm not going to lay it really flat. If you're going to wear the style for a long time, then you can definitely go on ahead and do that. But I am just doing this to try different bands and see which one is going to be my go-to band in the next few weeks. I'm going to use a little bit of the Garnier Fructis gel to lay it down. I prefer this gel. It doesn't have a very strong hold. It says it's a 10, but the hold is not that strong. If you want a really strong hold, then maybe go for the Got to Be Good gel. It has a really strong hold and the style lasts for a while, but I don't like it because it leaves white flakes in your hair. But for now, this will do. So I'm going to take a scarf and just, you know, help my hair lay down a little bit while I do the sides of it. So to do the side braid, I'm going to use 1 piece of Mali hair. It just looks like so. And I'm going to play with the ends a little bit to make sure that I will be able to divide the hair later on. If you want, you can go on ahead and comb it through, but I am not going to do that. I think this is enough. So I'm basically taking the piece of Mali hair and then my hair, and then I'm just going to take the Mali hair like so and putting it behind my hair. So now I technically have 3 sections. So So one is the Mali hair, the middle part is my hair, and the other side is the Mali hair. And I'm going to start with one side of the Mali hair, just put it in the center, pull my hair on the side, and then the other side of the Mali hair in the center, and just keep going on like that until you get to the end. If you want, you can use 2 pieces of Mali hair if you want this braid to be slightly thicker. Now the way that I feel the way it is, I should have probably used 2 pieces, but you know what? Let me see how this one looks like, and then I will decide if I'm going to add 2 pieces. Okay, so my hair is ending, so I'm going to borrow a little bit from each section of the Mali hair. I borrowed a little bit from that section, and then I'm going to borrow a little bit from the other section as well. Okay, so I'm going to take from the other section as well. This is just to try and balance them out. Okay, so there. So we have 3 sections again. I'm just going to do the braid to the length that I want it to, and then I'm going to just cut the remaining after, because I want to put a few beads in my hair. Probably, I don't know if I should put beads in or just put like those little gold thingies. Just to make it easier, I think I should probably cut the braid before I attempt to insert them. So I'm just pretty much cutting over there. And then, ooh. Okay, come down and cooperate. Okay, so I don't know how this is going to work out. I'm going to use this ones instead because they're easier to put in. So they are also from Magic Gold. If I find them, I will link them in the description bar below. Okay. So I've added 3 of them, and then I'm just going to tie a knot here at the bottom, just to make sure they don't come out, like so. Then I'm going to try and push one of them to hide the knots. Okay, so I have it like so, so I'm just going to cut this bottom part and just leave the knot tied like that. So there we have it. So I'm just going to repeat the same process on the other side as well. Okay guys, so this is what they basically look like now. And I just took off my little scarf and I put on some earrings. So I'm just going to go in with the first bundle of hair. You know what, maybe I'll start with the shortest bundle and then keep adding more as much as I want to. I'll probably just use 2 bundles for this. I'm using the 14-inch and the 16-inch bundles of hair from Leila's hair company on Amazon. I'm just going to put a bobby pin there where the 2 of them meet. Just around there, and then I'm just going to insert this in my little band thing, like so. Come on. I'm just doing that, and then I'm going to place it on my little bun. And then I'm just going to start wrapping the hair around. Not wrapping the braid around, but the hair. Okay, so I'm going to add another bobby pin just to secure it. Add as many bobby pins as you need to make sure your hair is secure. You can definitely leave it with the one bundle if you want to, but we all know that I'm kind of extra, so I'll just go on ahead and add the second bundle in there. I'm just pretty much doing the same thing again, taking the bob pin and putting it at the beginning of the weft and then putting that around my little bun to make sure it's secure. And then I'm just going to start wrapping the hair again around. So I want to create a sort of like messy bun look. That's why this hair is perfect for that. Oops. One of the cool things that I realized that I can actually do, instead of trying to pin this hair around, I can pretty much just hold it on the back there and make sure everything is in there. And then I'm pretty much going to sort of like twist it around like so. And then pin that on the side. And then go with my hair tie and just pretty much take in everything else that is not in there. Okay guys, so here we have it. I like it. I think it's really cute. I think it's a very cute go to school hairstyle. Okay guys, so this is what it looks like with the accessories on. I think it's very cute. I really like it. Probably be wearing it a lot more now. Hey guys, so the other way to wear this is just dividing it in the middle and then wearing it two little buns on the side. So I'm just going to brush it down. Now you all know I'm really not about that hair laid, very laid down look. I have 4C hair and it's really just quite annoying to try and lay my hair flat down. And honestly, it's too much for my hair. So I'm not going to do that anymore. Okay, so I guess I can't wear it like this because I have bundles that are not the same length, because one side will be taller than the other one. I can probably find a way to work it out, but we're not going to do that right now. So obviously if you have the same length bundles, you can definitely wear it like this. If you do not, then let's just do it into a bun like I was planning to anyways. Okay guys, so this is what this looks like. Isn't it cute? I feel like Minnie Mouse. So you can go on ahead and add the little accessories in the hair too if you want to, but I don't think I'm going to. I feel like this is funky enough already for me, so I'll just leave it like this.